Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify payments on Shopify. So let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can just head over to our settings right here. And on the settings, you should be able to see in here the payment. So under these payments, you should be able to see in here the supported payment methods. You can also add in here payment capture method, which is automatic at checkout. You can also add in manual payment methods and payment method customizations. You can also add in here a provider that you can choose from. So for example, if you want to choose a provider, so just click on this one. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see all the third-party payment providers that you can choose. So the one that is actually recommended is this Alien Payments because they support a lot of payment options. So just click on this one. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So make sure to just install this and activate it if you want. So if you want to add another one, then you can just head on over and then try to click on another one. Then click on install right here by adding in here your actual account. So let's head back. And in here, if you want to receive payment by PayPal, you can just click on this one and then make sure that your connected account is actually pending or actually in process and set that up. So to do that, click on this connect complete setup right here and then log in your PayPal account from there. So let's head back again and then from there scroll down. And in here, you can also add in here a payment capture method as well as the manual payment methods. Now, when you click on this, you do a back deposit, money order, or cash on delivery, depending on what you want. Once you're done with everything, you can now see everything you have checked out and you can just head on over and close this and you should be able to receive payments with the payment method that you have added. So that's the whole promise. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.